Maximum capacity, functionality, and convenience. These are the key features of IRSTOCK 1260 drum vending machine from IRMATIC. With a configurable compartment layout, it accommodates up to 1,260 unique products ranging from PPE and hand tools to cutting tools, power tools, welding supplies, abrasives, and various consumables. Retrieving or returning a product is simple. Log in using a PIN code, RFID card, QR code or barcode and select the desired item via the 21-inch touchscreen, designed for a clear and intuitive user experience. The IRSTOCK 1260 allows you to assign your employees access to specific items or product groups. It also manages the flow of tools within the company and monitors inventory levels. Convenient product loading options minimize downtime, ensuring smooth operation without unnecessary delays. All IRMATIC machines use the proprietary IRSYSTEM software, giving administrators full control over resource access and inventory tracking. It also automates the reordering process for low-stock items. Discover how the IRSTOCK 1260 can transform your business and production processes. Visit IRMATIC.com to schedule a demo today.